guys, what's up? This is Shubhi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here for my grocery shopping. So I thought why not share it with you all and show you around how Indian grocery store looks like and take you inside. So yeah, let's get inside. Haldiram's Bhel Puri and it's instant and I love it. The reason is whenever I crave for these street style food or street style snacks, then this is my go-to and yeah, I love it. This one is mainly for, you know, Bournvitas and coffees, milk powders.
यहाँ पे च्यवनप्राश, हाजमोला, इनो, ग्लूकोज सब कुछ है. रेट्स आपको जो भी दिख रहे हैं यू कैन जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 54. और ये है हमारी चाय. मेरी मम्मी का दिन इसके बिना स्टार्ट ही नहीं हो सकता है. I mean my mom just can't do anything without it and I'm sure that's the case with most of the Indians watching this.
All sorts of great brands here. We have a Mongolia, Good Life. So for the ones who are from South, they must be knowing about Good Life. It's a very good brand. Body wash from here, and this is my favorite section. मुझे घी बहुत पसंद है और I think I'm going to take the Amul one, and it costs 12.5 for 1 liter. a very good brand, and this is called Oatmeal. This is because, guys, this is the brand I love for all dosa batters. I mean, I've tried several brands, but this is really good. I usually prefer cubes, but they don't have, so I'm going with sweet slice. I'm looking for butter. They don't have butter in stock, but they have idlis, which is great. So guys, this is like just for a quick meal. It's frozen idli. I got my butter. This one is salted. And some peas. These are frozen peas. तो अब मैं हल्दी, धनिया, गरम मसाला ये सब ढूंढ रही हूँ. मुझे MDH और एवरेस्ट का चाहिए, so hopefully I'll get those. So I got garam masala, MDH garam masala. We have turmeric, dhania powder, we have Everest का लाल मिर्च, and this is black pepper. Wow! So I've been looking for this chota wala rice from a very long time. Finally I got one. And then you have all the dals here. This is masoor. This is green moong. But I have all these with me. So this is idli rava. I can try and make some. What else? They are literally selling whole wheat. Do you see this gehu? I don't know what. क्या use करेंगे इसका? So this they are selling it for 1.9 Singapore dollars. You have this besan also. बेसन है, ये रागी है. They have different brands here. Then you have this green moong for I generally use it for खिचड़ी. You know वो पैकेट आता है जिसमें 500 दाल मिक्स होती हैं. That I'm looking, but तो मैं उसी को ढूंढ रही हूँ पर वो मिल नहीं रहा है. खड़ा मसाला is also here, like खड़ा धनिया. You also have एक छोटा वाला चना भी है, काला वाला चना, ब्लैक चना. तो तीन चीज़ें मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. एक तो ब्लैक चना, एक ये वाले छोले और एक राजमा. We also have rajma here, 500 grams for $2.9. साबुदाना मैं नॉर्मली घर से ले आती थी, बट इनका भी ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड. लुकिंग फॉर पीनट. So this is $2.8 for 500 grams. Then you have these dry fruits also. So this is Amul paneer. So they have all sorts of sugar here. They have white sugar, which is not good for health. Guys, don't have it. आप लोगों को लगेगा कि मैं सिखा रही हूँ, but please listen to me. It's not at all good for you. Then they have these brown sugar. They also have castor sugar. So this is a very sugary section, and I'm not taking any of those. They have all sorts of essence here if you are into baking or
और यहाँ पे है अचार. So you have different types of pickle brands here. You can see noodles, poha. There are a couple of fries options. So yeah.
This is Alfonso mango. We also have mango cookie here and khoa. So this is like खोआ जो हमारा मार्केट में मिलता है वहाँ पे ये भी बेचते हैं. Then they have all these मिठाई. मेरी नानी जी बहुत अच्छा श्रीखंड बनाती हैं. एंड अब मैं इंडिया फिलहाल तो नहीं जा रही हूँ, तो दिस विल हेल्प मी.
So as you can see, you have amazing options for oils as well as rice. You know, बहुत सारी rice की आपको अलग-अलग varieties मिलेंगी and these are the prices. And here are toiletries. So you know, one interesting fact is यहाँ पे जो products दिखते हैं जैसे हमाम, मार्गो, etc etc. जब मैं इंडिया जाती हूँ तो मेरे घर के पास वाली grocery stores में भी ये products नहीं मिलते हैं.
Very good for eyes and hair. This is mango too. जो इंडिया में अल्फांसो मिलते हैं वो मुझे यहाँ मिलते नहीं हैं. So the garlic is very fresh. I'll take one of them. I'm going to take this onion bag, which is for I think 3 kgs, almost 50 kgs. तो थोड़ा मैं कच्चा लूँगी. ये also have this करेला, वो सब नहीं लूँगी. लौकी भी है वहाँ पे. It is fresh. This is the time जब मैं मम्मी को बहुत याद करती हूँ.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tour to the grocery store, and please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any questions, do hit like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to know about my life here, you can follow me on Instagram. I will see you soon next time. Take care. Bye.